So here I've got an electrical line coming out of the wall right here that I want to lower to match this gas line. So I marked it with a pencil and then scored it with a Dremel diamond bit. So I have a good clean line, it won't disappear. Here I have a handy little saw. This saw takes water, so it's a diamond blade with a hose attachment. So and using the saw like this, I should get within probably about an inch of here at the bottom of the floor on both sides. Then I can work with it with smaller tools. I'll do most of the cutting with this guy here. And then I'm cutting the left side, of course, pull this line to the right, vice versa, go the other way. In that current location, you want those supply lines to go under the toe kick of any kind of cabinetry that put in, so that's why it's going to go closer to the floor. Here you can see when I hook up the hose, I put some Teflon tape on this connection to get a good seal. I'm just going to put the hose in here and run at a very slow speed. I should be able to get enough water to get on that blade. So I was able to make that cut on the left. You can see a bit of water down here from the saw. But I was able to get down to about there, and which is good. I'll do the other side, and then from there I can work it down with smaller power tools, get it down about another inch. I'm doing a lot of this concrete. Okay, let's do this other guy real quick.